I'm super excited about the acquisition of the shares in Avisan. Together we're able to take on much bigger, larger, exciting projects, like for example here in Norwich today, cleaning out some silos. What inspired me to take the shares in Avisan is that my plan is to build a group of companies that help to clean, maintain and protect properties all across London and the wider area. And teaming up with Avisan just enables us to be able to provide a more in-depth, better service and an all-round service and add more value to our clients and Avisan's clients. So I'm most excited about the capabilities of the two companies together. We can take on much larger projects like skyscrapers, big buildings, difficult jobs, and together we're able to expand our services with our both customer bases and start to spread nationwide. So this means our clients have a more one-stop solution to all cleaning, maintenance and protection services, and especially when it comes to working at height, we've got solutions including rope access now, our cherry pickers, and also scaffolding, towers, etc. if we need it. Some of the other projects include the Savoy, famous hotel in London, where we did some courtyard cleaning using rope access technicians and the Dostin cleaning machine to clean lovely stonework in the courtyard elevations. We've also worked on the Edwardian Hotel in Manchester together, and the Bermondsey Town Hall in London. We've also got a cool job coming up. We're working on a multi-storey skyscraper in the Canary Wharf area, and we'll be cleaning all the render, cladding and glass.